Hey guys, Jim Pope with Worldwide Auctioneers. Want to draw your attention to our new auction that we're going to have in April, the 26th, 27th, and an amazing car that's available. This is a 1957 T-Bird, an absolutely brand new, frame-off, rotisserie restored car. Everywhere you look, every door you open, you're just amazed at how brand new this is. 71 miles from the restoration. So I'm going to take a look here at the engine and going to show you just how new it actually is. Loaded with all the options, a two-top car, power steering, air conditioning, power windows, power seats. Everything you would want. The more you look, the more you like. As we look inside, you can see the door panels, the door jambs, the dash, the undercarriage that shows just how brand new this car is. An amazing, incredible car. Again, two tops. As you look further to the back, you can just look at all the chrome, look inside the deck lid, the trunk. Everything is brand new. One of the finest available in the world today, right here, Auburn, Indiana, Worldwide Auctioneers. See you April.